in today's video, we are traveling to Japan for the very first time, and we are super excited. It has been a challenging journey as we travel from Singapore Changi Airport to Narita International Airport before experiencing Japan's famous bullet train for the first time from Tokyo Station to Osaka, which will be our first stop in Japan. This is my first time visiting Tokyo, and I am feeling incredibly excited. From the moment I arrived at the airport, the adventure already felt amazing, and I know even more exciting experiences are waiting ahead. Everything in Japan feels so different and interesting. From the busy airport atmosphere to the fast trains, bright city lights, and beautiful streets. Even the journey from one place to another feels like part of the adventure. Tokyo's train system can be very complicated for first-time visitors, especially after arriving in Tokyo after a long flight. The stations are massive, crowded, and filled with different train lines, platforms, and exits. Sometimes it feels like entering a maze, especially at busy stations like Tokyo Station or Shinjuku Station, where thousands of people move through the station every minute. Despite the challenge, the Japanese train system is incredibly fast, clean, and efficient. Once you understand how it works, traveling around Japan becomes an amazing experience. Taking the famous Shinkansen bullet train for the first time was unforgettable as we traveled from Tokyo to Osaka at incredible speed while enjoying the beautiful scenery along the journey. Even though it was confusing at first, exploring Japan by train became part of the adventure and excitement of our trip. Now, we have finally arrived in Osaka, and the atmosphere here feels completely different from Tokyo. The city is vibrant, energetic, and full of life, especially at night when the neon lights begin to shine across the streets. After the long journey and confusing train transfers in Tokyo, finally reaching Osaka feels exciting and rewarding.
MRT station 怎么走？
看 GPS 啊。
要了。
这个是啊，拍什么拍？他这是什么？叫上，他叫什么？
我给熬一次，我不要。
我要看一瓶。看一瓶。不要了。你可以再讲。这样要不要你看呢？来。
不要。
这个不要穿。
因为我出来的话，它那个整个把这个东西就吃不。
它这个会饱的，这个。
Walking through Osaka feels exciting because there is always something happening round every corner. The city has an amazing mix of modern shopping malls, traditional Japanese culture, arcades, anime stores, and delicious local food. Nearby, Shinsei-bashi Suji Shopping Street is packed with tourists and shoppers looking for fashion, souvenirs, snacks, and Japanese cosmetics. Walking through Dotonbori feels like stepping into the heart of Osaka's energy and nightlife. Bright neon lights, giant moving signboards, and endless food stalls create an exciting atmosphere that never seems to sleep. The streets are packed with delicious smells from takoyaki, grilled seafood, ramen, and Japanese street snacks. Every corner feels lively with music, tourists, shopping, and entertainment. Walking around Dotonbori at night is an unforgettable experience because the colorful reflections from the neon lights glow beautifully on the river. Nearby, you can also explore Shinsei-bashi Suji Shopping Street for shopping, souvenirs, fashion, and Japanese snacks. Dotonbori is truly one of the best places in Osaka to enjoy food, nightlife, and the exciting atmosphere of Japan. As we stroll along the famous canal, the iconic Laiko Running Man sign shines brightly above the crowd, making it one of the most popular photo spots in Japan.
안녕하세요. 내 이름은 뭐게? 웃는 얼굴로 시작하는 관계. 모든 시작은 어색하지 하지만 웃음이 열쇠야. 두려움은 잠깐.
看你们买东西，我也要买。
같이 놀자 모두
加快速度，不停了。
We have finally arrived at the amazing Pokémon Center Osaka, and it feels like stepping into a dream world for Pokémon fans. The moment we entered the store, we were surrounded by colorful Pokémon merchandise, giant character displays, exclusive collectibles, ties, plushies, trading cards, and limited edition items that can only be found in Japan. One of the best parts about visiting the Pokémon Center in Osaka is seeing the exclusive Japan merchandise and themed decorations that make the experience feel truly special. The store is also beautifully designed, making it a perfect location for photos and travel videos.